Ever dream of quitting your job? Ditching the office cubicle and trading spreadsheets for sunbeds sounds pretty good, right? But what if I told you you could make thousands of dollars every month without ever investing a dime? Welcome to a crash course in building your wealth empire from scratch. Today, we're unveiling the exact blueprint I use it to go from broke to building a business that generates thousands every month. Here's the detailed breakdown of our roadmap, audience magnet. It all starts with attracting the right eyeballs. We'll dive into building a loyal fan base who craves your content and can't wait to buy from you. Brand before bucks. Before you sell anything, you gotta be someone. We'll craft your brand, the face behind the business, and make it magnetic. Funnel vision. Time to turn those fans into paying customers. We'll explore irresistible offers, targeted email sequences, and sales funnels so smoothly, they'll practically beg you to take their money. Product playground. Now comes the fun part, creating products your audience will love. Whether it's ebooks, courses, or custom widgets, we'll brainstorm ideas that convert like crazy. Money multiplier. Your hard work deserves to work even harder. We'll show you how to invest your profits wisely, make your money make money, and build passive income streams that fuel your financial rocket ship. Are you ready to ditch the cubicle and build your dream life? Hit that subscribe button, grab your notebook, and let's get started. Now let's dive into building your audience, the cornerstone of your success. Here's a foolproof method to get you started. Create 2 to 3 Instagram theme pages and a YouTube channel. Trust me, it's the sweet spot for gathering a thriving audience, and it's super user-friendly. For this video, we're riding the trend wave, self-improvement. Why? Because it's hot, and creating content around it is easy. Now let's roll up our sleeves and start crafting our brand. We'll use the power of AI and Canva to make this process lightning fast. First things first, head over to ChatGPT. Drop a prompt like this. Make sure to request the data in the form of a table. This will make our lives easier later on. Once you've got the insights, copy and paste that goldmine into Google Sheets, export it as a .csv file. Easy peasy. Next stop, Canva. Create a sleek template for your Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Now, let's make our lives even simpler. Head to the app section and select Bulk Create. Upload that CSV file you just made. Here's where the magic happens. Add a background. The link to luxury background clips is in the description, and some deep, smooth background music for that extra flair. But hold on, we're not done yet. Add a text to the template select font. Link it to your CSV file, hit Generate in Bulk, and voila! Your monthly content for Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts is now on autopilot. Now that you've grown your page, it's time to cash in. The first move? Selling shoutouts. An average page with 5K followers and killer engagement can demand anywhere from $40 to $80 for a single shoutout. Yep, you heard it right. You're sitting in a goldmine. While shoutouts are cool, our long-term game is bigger. We need a brand, an identity people can trust. This is where Project Persona comes in. You don't necessarily have to show your face, but you do have to become the face. Start by launching another page. Consider it your online identity card. This page is all about trust, responsibility, and valuable content. Leverage your existing pages to grow this primary page to new heights. Keep your posts in a consistent color theme. Professionalism is the name of the game here. Slowly, methodically, your audience will start recognizing your content, associating it with reliability and value. So you've funneled down your audience on your primary page, nurtured their trust, and now it's time to reap the rewards. Let's dive into the next level of monetization. Now, let's broaden our horizons by creating free Telegram or Discord communities. Why? Because diversification is the name of the game. By having communities on different platforms, you're building an audience that can't be canceled all at once. Smart move, right? These communities become your launchpad. Anyone here is primed to jump on board with anything that's at least free, just as you've said. It's about creating a network that's not just loyal, but diverse. Create a free buy, maybe a free ebook or a free course. Use Gumroad to sell it for free. But here's the catch. Here you're not after money, you're after emails. Build that email list. It's your golden ticket to direct communication with your audience. Now, armed with Telegram, Discord, IDs, and emails, you're ready for the next move. Launch a premium product on Gumroad, something truly valuable. Don't put a very high price tag on it, keep it affordable. Those who invest in your high-ticket product become exclusive members. We'll create premium communities with monthly fees, tailored content just for them, Q&As, and bonus goodies. This is where we truly shine, delivering unparalleled value to our most dedicated supporters. It's all about value exchange. You give them premium content and they give you money without a second thought. And while you're orchestrating this, don't forget those theme pages. They're still churning out shoutouts and attracting new audiences. It's a beautiful ecosystem, feeding your growth and fueling your future endeavors. After 6 months of dedicated work, you're looking at a sweet spot, $2,000 to $4,000 per month. It's time to leverage this newfound income wisely. Enter the 50-30-20 rule of money management. Allocate 50% of your profits to your needs, 30% to your wants, and the remaining 20% towards investments. Remember, this isn't about trading. It's about investing wisely. Stocks, real estate, choose assets you understand. Now rinse and repeat the process. Your paid communities and products are working for you, and your investments are steadily multiplying. Remember, this isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Don't lose heart if you don't see instant results. Keep working, keep creating, and most importantly, keep learning. All right, my unstoppable visionaries, that's a wrap for today's guide on turning your dreams into a 7-digit reality. If you've soaked up the wisdom and you're hungry for more, I've got a special invitation for you. Head over to this video where I spill the beans on the secrets of staying motivated throughout this incredible journey. Trust me, it's the fuel you need to keep the fire burning, so click on the video right here or find it in the description below. Remember, this journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Every step you take, every decision you make, is a stride towards financial freedom. So, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to smash that notification bell. Because on this channel, we're not just chasing dreams, we're catching them. Until next time, keep hustling, keep watching, and stay unstoppable. This is Bainstick Siganig off.